So, how do you get it all in place? Well, this is protected with 2 layers of foil, so take that off both sides carefully. Because this is not glass, you can see very static. I think you call it in English as well. Put that in place. Hey, I can see myself. Hi. Well, I'm going to put in my black layer. And I added 2 tapes because it has to stay on the top side, otherwise it doesn't fit properly. But you can't see. This goes inside. The first, well, that was 1. This is the second. I've given it 2 times a layer, so it will stay apart from the black one. This is number 3. This is number 4. This is number 5. Number 6. And number 7. Didn't give that an extra layer because that's not necessary. Now you can put the back on. Like so. Bend all those things. Well, I only do 2 now. And there it is. Plug it in. Oh, I really like it. I bought these mini LEDs. These are warm white and they come as this together, but you can break them and cut them and then you get a string like this. I bought something to put my beautiful cats in. I bought a plug and I bought a female connector, and in this female connector I'm going to put these, the LED. But first I have to clear these wires and I forgot to get a knife, so I'll be back soon. There are 2 screws here, minus and plus, and look, if you turn this you can see the inside moving, see? So that will keep the thread in place. So I'm going to put plus in plus. You can see a tiny plus somewhere there. Tiny, you see? You can see a tiny plus. So plus in plus, turn. Minus into the other one. Check. Yep. Done. So now check if it works. Yep. It works. So now you have to put it in place. Be careful because this tape, 3M tape, is really strong. I've drawn a line where the most important part of my design will be, so I can adjust the way I want my lights and I'll put them in place. So I glued them all in place, and now I can cut my design, put this in the back, and we'll have a look. Power on. And let's see.